Hi, this is Patrick Conroy, and we're on to Chapter 10, Case Organization and Management Software. So we're talking in the last chapter about office management software. Now we're going to really delve into an actual case software, because you have a lot of different files associated with a legal case. So this isn't just, clients. We need to have a system to keep the clients, but this is a specific case, which can be huge. So we're going to explain the reasons for the use of software in managing litigation cases, describe how case management programs are used, understand the functions of case analysis software, and explain its value to a firm, describe the advantages of using timelines in litigation. Cases are made up of a number of items, including documents, depositions, testimony, transcripts, and the case facts and issues. All of that needs to be organized and kept in a way that you can easily search it before you go to trial. Each of these groups of items can be managed effectively and efficient with the appropriate software. And there's several software packages out there. Microsoft 365, Abacus has a product, Case Law. I'm going to provide videos for those as well. And many of the case management programs allow import and export to other related programs. So there's a great deal of similarity. So once you know how to use one, within a few hours you can kind of figure out how to use another one. You just know what to look for. Effectively managing a case may involve reviewing, sorting, and making for identification thousands of documents, photographs, and other evidence. Careful tracking and organizing of evidence should start at the beginning of a case, as soon as they come through the door. Good case management requires a thoughtful process for storing, handling, examining, evaluating, and indexing every single page so you can pull something up really quickly and easily. A typical litigation file contains the following items: the interview of the client, interviews of facts and expert witnesses, investigation reports, the police reports, any kind of investigation reports, then expert reports, and all of the documentation. A case file contains evidence, research memorandum, pleadings, and all the trial preparation material. So computers are increasingly relied upon to manage the case files and the litigation process. Software can be used to quickly locate relevant documents or portions of testimony, so you don't have to go through all those pages. Case management software can also be used to organize the elements of a case: the parties, the documents, the timetables, the issues, the legal authority, and other information in a single system. So CaseMap, which is one of those softwares, and it's going to ask you certain things like, please list all people related to the case, list only one person. This is sort of the instructions. This is an exhibit. I will be showing you CaseMap in a video below, so you be sure to click on it, and that way you can see how to use CaseMap, because it's very popular, and it's important that you know how to use them. A case management system allows all authorized members of the legal team to access the case information day or night. In other words, it's in the cloud. An effective system requires a central repository for information gathered by each of the team members. And team members are able to access the case information of others. So we don't want this on one person's laptop. We're going to want it on the cloud. Most case management programs provide a basic set of screens for entering different types of information. And some programs allow the users to create customized forms for practice specialties. So if you are a personal injury lawyer, there's certain things that customized forms that you might want to create. So this is a basic Abacus data system contact form. And case analysis software can assist in developing cases by providing a central repository for critical case knowledge. Parties, witnesses, documents, case law, statutory law, and reports. As facts are gathered, parties are identified, and research is assembled, the data may be entered into the program. Once entered, the facts, the cast of characters, and the issues may be organized and explored by any member of the legal team. So this is case map reports, which you'll be seeing later. And workflow. Timelines. Timelines are chronological listings of the facts of a case or the litigation procedures to be followed. They're often presented graphically, and timelines are useful by analyzing the case or meeting deadlines in the process. In many cases, the sequence of events is critical to the factual analysis of the case. At trial, the timeline may be an effective tool in showing the jury the sequence of events leading to the injury or damage. And here's an exhibit. Oh, yeah, you can't see that one probably. This next one you might be able to see better. Okay, so this involves a school bus. These are all the different people involved and at the time they were doing things. So, picked out, and some of this might go back a couple of days, all knowing what this person was up to and doing, all before the accident occurred, which is right here. It's right here, the collision. And then everything that happened subsequently. Okay, so that's it. Please watch the other videos and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.